This will allow you to see what sort of lighting we need in here. And one thing that one of my best mentors, one of my best teachers always told me was to double check and triple check. And again, it's always better to undercut than to overcut. So you're constantly measuring, you know. That's one thing that you do. It's not just one measurement and oh, you're there, but you're constantly measuring. And the fine bezel also gets work hardened. So there's a spring to it now. See that spring?
Mm-hmm.
And that's what you want because it keeps it together. It keeps those two edges together that you're going to join with solder. You don't want them to overlap, so that's where these pliers come in handy. Okay. I'm going to put a little light on here before I solder. Okay. And then I'm taking, I normally use wire solder, but I had this medium sheet solder, so I decided to use it. And I've got to get my other tweezers and my other scissors. Yeah, these work good on a smaller